alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am in Nafia house and we do
Nafia's flat.
Nafia's flat.
Temporary flat.
Temporary flat. Inshallah, this is a hospital accommodation. We here and I say Nafia hair is a little bit damaged with bleaching and things. So I say I'm gonna make you a home remedy, and she advised me let's post it on the YouTube as well. So let's begin.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
So for this hack you need this size onion and of course coconut oil and a little bit aroma oil. You need one onion chopped like that, coconut oil, any brand, I'm using this brand, aroma oil, any aroma oil, I'm using lavender, and a little pan. So first I place one onion in my pan and I'm using about, it's quite firm, so I use about 4 tablespoons in one onion, 4 tablespoons coconut oil. That's all, easy peasy. And now we will saute this onion and show you.
Sorry guys about the pan. It's not Mum's pan, it's my pan, and it's not even my pan, it's the hospital accommodation pan. All of our pans are you know, boxed up.
Yeah.
So please don't complain about the pan, it's not our pan.
Yeah, it's no wow, but it's okay. So let's saute this. Just saute for 2-3 minutes. So the onion is getting sauteed, and I say okay, for 2-3 minutes I can talk to you. I know this is a hack, I know supposed to talk, but I love talking to you people. So let me talk about this hair remedy. So what happened after each of my childbirth, I used to have loads of hair. Then in my depression I lost loads of hair, and then you know, time to time with bleaching, with coloring, I start losing hair, especially from here. And always when I start losing hair I use this remedy, and trust me, it's work like magic. So whoever suffering, man, woman, old, elderly, children, it's a very nice remedy, very unique and natural. So if you want, just make this remedy in 10 minutes. You only need 3 ingredients. One is coconut oil, one onion, and a few drops of essential oil. It can be lavender. Trust me, it works like magic, and I guarantee your hair will grow in 3 applications. Inshallah, will grow and get stronger, and you know, the 2 ends will go away, the dryness will go away. So the uses, how you can use it, I will show you on Nafia hair. Okay, so let me show you now how.
Am I putting that on my hair?
Yeah,
Girl, I just washed my hair yesterday.
it doesn't matter, it's so good for your
So
hair.
am I going to be oily?
No, you know,
And
that's the
oniony.
whole thing. You're not gonna feel oily, and you're not gonna feel oniony, because the aroma oil we're using.
No,
But Nafia, this hair will make your, this oil
This
will
hair,
make, no, this oil will make your hair shiny, like a baby hair.
Is it?
Yeah, you will love it.
But babies don't have hair.
Like a little girl hair. Little girl hair. Oh, I laugh like now, money.
So guys, what do you want? What do you prefer on Mum's channel? Do you prefer her doing recipes? And please don't say you prefer her, you like everything, because that's not kind of constructive for us.
Yes.
So what do you prefer her doing? Do you want her to do vlogs? Do you want her to do more hacks? What is it? Leave it in the comment below. What do you want to see?
Because my channel is everything. Whatever people ask, I just go and do it. Whatever my follower ask. Honestly, I never care about my channel sequence and this and that. I say, okay, my followers my YouTube family asked for this, let me do it. But Siddiq was looking to my channel and he said, oh, you're doing everything, you're supposed to do a couple of things. And I say, this is a masala channel, masala and everything. So please let me know what you like the most from me.
And
Look, okay? But keep stirring, okay? That's very important to keep stirring because we don't want to burn our oil. And because it's coconut oil, it's really nice smell. I will show you two remedy for the hair loss. And the other one I'm gonna post it later on, maybe sometime next week. The recipe or the remedy is for the people who suffering from net, hair loss, itchy scalp, and for the stronger scalp. So I'm showing you two remedy. One is this is like a proper hair oil for the hair loss. It's just work for the hair loss. And another remedy is working 100% on head lice, weak scalp, hair loss, and shiny hair, and as well as the for the dandruff. So I'm gonna post that remedy next week, inshallah. Don't make it too brown, okay guys? So just like that, like when it's like a little bit brown, not too brown, off from the thing. And as you know, Nafia, this is Nafia temporary accommodation. She didn't open her kitchen stuff yet, so I need to use a sieve. I'm using this. Press all the onion very well in the pan, and then using this spoon, and I sieve, or instead of sieve I'm using this. So make sure onion didn't go in your oil, okay? And now with sieve is so easy, so just rub your onion like that, press it hard. Now the oil is still hot. I add only like 1/4 teaspoon or 10 drop of essential oil. So 10 drop of essential oil, okay? When you put essential oil, make sure you blend essential oil like that, okay? And let it cool down for 15 minutes, okay? I always keep this kind of bottle, okay, which is with Coke, okay, and it's really good, to stop air to go inside the bottle. That's very important. Use funnel or glass or anything to put it in the bottle. And just airtight, okay, like this. And that's my oil ready. Now I'm going to show you the application of this oil, how to apply on hair. My model Amaya's here. She just come from school, and I asked her to let me oil your hair. Well, her hair is mashallah so good because we're using loads of oil in her hair. But now this oil,
no, don't put my hair.
So now I'm gonna use this oil, which can make Amaya hair shiny, because she got curly hair, so always her hair is dull. The sooner we apply this oil, it's gonna be shiny, isn't it, Amaya? Say yes. Yeah?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Amaya, stay there, very still. So just a little bit, about 1 spoon.
Yeah, 1 spoon.
Yeah, oil with your fingertip.
For my hair.
She'll talk. And just slightly massage and go through, okay, to the end.
It smells good though.
Yeah, it smells good, isn't it? It smells like lavender. You're gonna go good night sleep tonight. So with this oil, if you have a sleeping problem, honestly, when you apply before bedtime, you will sleep really good, okay?
Okay.
So whenever I'm stressed and I can't go to bed, this oil helped me. So when you come to the end, just rub your ends like that, okay? And now, like that. Okay, it was Azan, sorry. So, no, don't put too much pressure, just with your fingertip, very slowly, gently. How is it, Maya? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so she definitely don't smell like, but anyway, we're gonna leave it overnight.
I don't even
and
smell
wash
like
it.
a rat now.
How you feel, Amaya?
Good.
And once you did that, make sure comb her hair, comb the person hair, whoever you apply,
And you need to put it on.
and always keep it under
And
the
always
cloth. So
remember
just
to put your pony on.
yes. So remember now. Amaya will tell you what's gonna happen, because that's where we repeat these things to Amaya and Ella every week. So now I put her hair in pony, and I'm gonna rub a nice scarf or something over her hair to keep it like moisture, to keep it warm. And I don't need to show you that.
I definitely look like someone.
So inshallah, we will wash her hair after before she go to bed. It's clock, so another 4 hours I'm gonna wash her hair. But if you are an adult, keep it overnight and wash it in the morning, and it's amazing.
Now
It will,
put the lid on.
and put the lid on. Show Amaya. So put the lid on,
So it won't spill on the table.
and okay. So guys, come on, you gonna say something?
Yeah.
This oil is amazing.
What have you learnt in school?
I learned
The Quran? Say a little bit.
Anyway, Maya is going to Islamic school, mashallah. Anyway, so this remedy is working like magic. Please.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, keep saying recipe. So this DIY working like magic, and
If you shake it a little bit, then it will be more smelly.
she's telling you more than me. So yes, no remedy, no recipe is a remedy, and this DIY work like magic. So go try this remedy. Please leave the comments. If some of you try, please leave the comments. Let me know. If you like my hacks, my remedy, my DIY, please comment below so I can post more of my mum remedies. And please keep my mum in your duas, because every remedy and hack I'm showing you on YouTube is come from my mama. So please keep her in your dua, and may Allah bless you and keep you happy. All of you gonna be in my dua. Please keep me in your dua. Subscribe, like, comment. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.